Hello, I'm Dr. Lily and today we're going to be talking about the cracking sound and the sound you might hear during your adjustment, or what us as chiropractors call the cavitation. Good, fixing that head. Now in your joints you have something called synovial fluid which helps lubricate and protect the joint. When we put a control force into the joint, this changes the pressure, causing the gases, mainly CO2 and nitrogen, to form bubbles, and it's those bubbles that pop and crack. So no, it is not the bones breaking, and two, you do not need to hear the crack for an adjustment to be effective.